Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a simple way. So today we are going to solve the what another property of definite integral for the point of your examination. It is also very important property. So here prove that integration of a to b f of x dx. Integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is the property, and hence evaluate integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 divided by 1 by 1 plus root tan x dx. So this problem and property has been asked July 2019 and June 2015. Totally this property has been asked 4 times: June 2014, 2015, March 17 and July 2019, and these are the problems related to this property. So let us first we will prove the what property one by one property. To prove this property, take RHS first. Take RHS. Take RHS. Therefore, RHS is equal to this one. We have to take RHS is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Yes. Now take the substitution. Put a plus b minus x is equal to what? T. A plus b minus x is equal to t. When x is equal to a, when x is equal to b, when x is equal to a and x is equal to b. See here, when x is equal to a and x is equal to b, when x, if you substitute here x is equal to a plus a minus a cancel, t is equal to what? B. The value of t is what? B. When you substitute the what? X is equal to a, then t is what? B. When x is equal to b, then t is equal to what? Plus b minus b. Put b here. Plus b minus b cancel. T is equal to what? E. T is equal to what? E. Yes. After changing the limits, write once again this one. A plus b minus x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of a0, derivative of b0, because these are the what? A and b are constant here. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Then minus dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ क्या करेबागे तो यहाँ पर put a plus b minus x is equal to t, then change the limit. When x is equal to a, substitute here a, then plus a minus a get cancelled, t is equal to what? B. When x is equal to b, put b here in the place of x, plus b minus b cancel, then t is equal to what? A. Now again write this one, a plus b minus x is equal to t, then differentiate with respect to t. Minus dx by dt is equal to what? 1 minus dx is equal to what? Dt. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now whatever we have did the substitution here, that we are using here. See here, come to here. Now see here, a plus b integration of, first I am writing integration sign. Yes, when x is equal to a, I have taken a, then the value of t is what? B. Write b here. When x is equal to b, the value of t is what? A. Then f of a plus b minus x means what? T. F of t. Then dx means what? Minus dt. Yes. 4 changes we did here. A becomes b, b becomes a plus b minus x means what? T. Dx means what? Minus dt. Yes. Now take minus sign outside. Integration of b to a f of t dt. Yes. Now interchange the limit. This minus will and it will become what? Minus. The sign of the integral will be changed here. If you interchange the limit, it will become what? Minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. I am writing directly here. A to b f of t dt. What we did here? Right here. No need to write the property. Just remember, if you interchange the limit, minus will become what here? Plus, because one more minus will become here. Minus into minus, plus. Now change of variable. A to b f of x dx, that is equal to what? LHS. that is equal to what? LHS. Therefore, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Hence the proof of the property. Hence the proof of the what? Property. So this is the what? Proof of the what? Property. Yes? Any doubts? Can we notice me? So it's very simple. See the explanation once again. Write the RHS, that is integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now take the substitution, put a plus b minus x is equal to what? T. When x is equal to a, t is equal to what? B. When x is equal to b, t is equal to what? A. Now write a plus b minus x is equal to t one more time. Then differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of a is what? 0. Derivative of b is 0. Minus derivative of x with respect to t is what? Minus dx by dt. Right side t is there. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Minus dx is equal to what? Dt. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now come to here, integration of b to a f of t minus dt. Take minus sign outside. b to a f of t dt. Now interchange the limit. One more minus will come here. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Then a to b f of t dt. Now change of variable. Change t to what? X. Then a to b f of x dx is equal to f of x dx, that is equal to what? LHS. Therefore, integration of a to b f of x dx is exactly equal to what? Integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Hence the proof. Now next one. Solve the problem. Tell me the problem. Yes. What is the problem? First problem. What is the first problem? Integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. 1 divided by root of 1 plus root tan x, or what? Root 1 plus tan x. Yes. The next problem. See here. Integration of problem. Property is proved now. Now we have to solve the problem. Property and problem, you will get the what? 6 marks. Question number what? 59. So first write the what? I is equal to. Then I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. 1 divided by 1 plus root tan x can be written sin x by cos x. Root sin x by root cos x. Root sin by root cos is nothing but root tan. Yes, dx. Then I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Now take LCM root cos x. Root cos x into 1 is what? Root cos x. Root cos x plus root sin x. Now this is LCM. It comes to the what? Numerator. 1 into root cos x is what? Root cos x. Yes. Listen here. Observe here. First what I did here. Tan x can be written root sin by root cos. ನಾನು tan x ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಬರೆದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ದೆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿ ವಾಟ್? 1 into root cos x is what? Root cos x. Yes. Call this as equation 1. Equation 1. By the property, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. See here what our property says here. Our property will say what? Integration of a to b f of x dx is exactly equal to what? A plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. See here what is a here? 5 by 6. This is a, and what is b here? 5 by 3. Yes. By after applying this property, we will write the next step. I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 into 5 by 3 root of this cos x will become what? 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. 5 by 6. This is what? A plus b minus x. A plus b minus x divided by root of cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus root sine 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. After applying the property, the step will become what? A plus b means what here? 5 by 6. This is what? A plus b minus x, a plus b minus x, a plus b minus. A means 5 by 6, b means what? Pi by 3. So the next steps I am writing here. Next step I am writing here. Next step I am writing here. That is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is nothing but pi by 2. 5 by 6. If you simplify, see here, I am writing rough here. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. LCM of 5 by 6 is what? 6. 6 1 za, 3 2 za. 1 into 5 5, 2 into 5 2 5. Pi plus 2 5. 3 5 by 6, 3 1 za, 3 2 za. If you simplify 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3, you will get the what? 5 by 2. Yes. Root of cos 90 minus x divided by root of cos 90 minus x plus root of sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x dx. Yes. Now I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x. Cos 90 minus x sin x, cos 90 minus x sin x, sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x dx. This is what? Equation 2. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we get. See here. I plus I. I plus I 2i. 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. See here, denominator is same. This denominator, equation 1 denominator and equation 2 denominator is what? Same here. So keep the denominator as it is, that is root sin x plus root cos x. Now what is the numerator here? Root cos x and root sin x. Root sin x plus root cos x. It doesn't matter you write first cos or sin. Yes. It means same. That is, this will get cancelled. Yes. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx. Next, 2i is equal to x. Integration of dx is what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3. Yes. That is equal to 2i is equal to, this implies 2i is equal to, first substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Now what is the LCM of 3 and 6? Then 2i is equal to 6 is the LCM. Yes. 3 2 za, 6 1 za, 2 pi minus 5. 2 pi minus 5. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 6. Then I is equal to what? 5 2 6 za, 12. 5 by 12. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 12. So this is the what? Final answer. So same type of the problem is there. 1 by 1 plus root tan x means what? Instead of root tan x, he may be asked what? Root cot x. So do it by taking what? Root cot x for your practice purpose. Yes. Take root cot x and practice it in the same manner. Huh? Instead of root tan x, he may be asked to the what? Root cot x. So do it as a practice problem. Write it root cot x. So this is for your practice purpose. Practice it. Yes. Root cot x you have to practice. Yes. Next problem. Next problem. Integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 cos raised to 5x divided by cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x dx. See here, I is equal to, write this one first. I is equal to equation 1. Yes. Now by the property, by property, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A plus b minus x dx here, that is I is equal to, now applying the property, a plus b means what here, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. I is equal to integration of 5 by 6, 5 by 3 cos raised to 5. X means what here, x change to what, a plus b minus x means 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx divided by cos raised to 5, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx, sorry, plus sin raised to 5, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. Yes. Now I is equal to, 5 by 6, 5 by 3 cos raised to 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus x divided by cos raised to 5, 5 by 2 minus x plus sin raised to 5, 5 by 2 minus x dx. Next I is equal to 5 by 6, 5 by 3. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. This is also what? Sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to what? 5x dx equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 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 2. Yes. See here, I plus I, 2i. 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. See here, cos raised to 5x, sin raised to 5x, denominator is same here. That is sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x. Sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x dx. Now cancel this one because denominator is same. See here, sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x means also same. Cos raised to 5x, sin raised to 5x is also same. So keep the denominator as it is, only add the numerator cos raised to 5x, sin raised to 5x. Now these term going to be what? Cancel here. Yes. Then 2i is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3 dx. Then 2i is equal to what? X between the limit what? 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3. Next. Then 2i is equal to, substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Then 2i is equal to what? 6 is the LCM. 3 2s are 6 1s are. 2 into pi 2 5, 1 into 5 5, 2 pi minus 5. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 6. Then I is equal to 2 6 are 12, that is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Next problem, 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, sin raised to 3 by 2 divided by sin raised to 3 by 2 plus cos raised to 3 by 2 x dx. So this is the problem. It doesn't matter about the word problem. Now apply the word property. That is, first I is equal to, this is equation 1. By the property, yes, by property, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is the property. Yes. See here, that is I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Wherever x is there, x change to what? 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. That is sin raised to 3 by 2, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x divided by sin raised to 3 by 2, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus cos raised to 3 by 2, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. Yes. Then I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 sin raised to 3 by 2. It will become what? 90 minus x. 90 minus x divided by sin raised to 3 by 2, 5 by 2 minus x plus cos raised to 3 by 2, 5 by 2 minus x dx. Now I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 sin 90 minus x is what? Cos. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 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 2. I plus I, 2i. I plus I, 2i is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. See here, denominator cos, and here is also same. Denominator is same. Keep the denominator as it is. That is sin raised to 3 by 2 x plus cos raised to 3 by 2 x sin raised to 3 by 2 x plus cos raised to 3 by 2 x dx. Now this term get cancelled. Yes. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx. Then 2i is equal to dx means what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Then 2i is equal to 6 is the LCM. Then 2 pi minus 5. Here 2 comes, here 1. 2 into 5, 1 into 5. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 6. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 12. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 12. Next problem, evaluate 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. It will be also asked with the what? Property. So based on the what? A plus b minus x property. 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 sin square x dx. Right, first one, this is I is equal to, call this as equation 1. Yes, by property integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now I is equal to 5 by 6, 5 by 3 sin square 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. Now I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 sin square 90 minus x. 90 minus x dx. Sin square 90 minus x is nothing but cos square. Cos square x dx. This is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Then I plus I is what? 2i. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x dx. Sin square x plus cos square x is what? 1. 1 into dx is what? Dx. Sin square x plus cos square x is what? 1. 1 into dx? Dx. That is 2i is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx. Then 2i is equal to what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Then 2i is equal to upper limit, that is what? 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Then 2i is equal to, this is 2 and this is 1. 2 pi minus 5. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 6. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. So your next important property, prove that integration of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is what? Even. If f of x of minus 5 by 2 5 plus 5 by 2 x cube plus x cos x dx, July 2017. Next, minus a to 0 f of x dx. Here minus a to 0, this one. Minus a to 0 f of x dx. We are considering this one. Yes. Put x is equal to minus t. Put x is equal to what? Minus t. Put x is equal to what? Minus t. Yes. When x is equal to what? Minus a to 0. Yes. When x is equal to minus a, t is equal to what? Plus a. When x is equal to 0, t is also what? 0. T is also what? 0. Yes. Now x is equal to minus t, dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now therefore this will become integration of minus a to 0 f of x dx is equal to minus a means what? Plus a here. That is a to 0 f of minus t minus dt. Minus t minus dt. Next, then minus, and this minus is what? F of minus, this is what? Minus a to 0 f of t minus t dt. Yes, minus t dt. Take minus sign outside. Then 0 to a, interchange the limit. 0 to a f of minus t dt. Now 0 to a f of minus t will become what? Plus t. It doesn't matter. You can write the what? Plus t also. Then f of x dx, change of variable. So this is the value. Yes. Ab correct होगा. See here, minus a to 0 f of x dx we are taking. See here, put x is equal to minus t. Yes. Now when x is equal to minus a, t is equal to a. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When x is equal to, put x is equal to minus t, then dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now come to here, minus a to 0 f of x dx. Minus a means what? Plus a. 0 means what? 0. F of x means what? Minus t. Dx means what? Minus d. Take the minus sign here. This minus t as it is. Now interchange the limit 0 to a minus t dt. Now change of variable x dx, that is minus x dx. Yes. Now come to the what? If case 1, if f of x is an even function, then f of minus x is equal to what? Minus of f of x or plus f of x? Plus f of x. F of minus x is what? Is equal to f of x, and equation 1 reduces to. Then equation 1 reduces to. Then equation 1 reduces to. then equation 2 reduces to. So here from equation 1, from 1, this one is what? 1. Equation 1 minus a to a f of x dx is equal to the value of minus a to 0. The value of minus a to 0, we have to write first this one. Yes, we have to write first this one. Minus a to 0 f of x dx is nothing but 0 to a f of minus x. 0 to a f of minus x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. So this one is what? Equation 2. Now this is equation 2. See here, case 1, if f of x is an even function, then f of minus x is equal to, then equation 1 reduces to, we have to write the first this one. From equation 2, see here, after equation 1 reduces to, now minus a to a f of x dx is equal to, no need to write this one, equation 2, equation 1 reduces to, after this one, if f of minus x is an even function, replace this by what? F of x. That is 0 to a f of x. This is replaced by what? F of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. Now, see here, 0 to a, 0 to a. Yes, this one. 0 to 2 into, it is also same, 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. This is the what? Your first proof. If f of x is an even, then this is the what? Your first proof. Clear? This is what? Your first proof. Yes, first proof. Now case 2, over this one. Now case 2, see here, if f of x is an odd function, then f of minus x is equal to what? Minus of f of x. Then equation 1 reduces to minus a to a f of x dx minus a to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. This, the value of this is what? We evaluated already this value, replaced by this one. Then if f of minus x is an odd function, then it will become what? Minus 0 to a minus of f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. Then minus a to a f of x dx. See here, this is plus value and this is minus value, get cancelled. It will be what? 0. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. This is your second proof. Next, the problem. What is the first problem? I is equal to, write first, I is equal to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2 sin raised to 7x dx. Sin raised to 7x dx. Here f of x is equal to, what? Sin raised to 7x. Sin raised to 7x is an odd function. See here, the power of sin is what? Odd here, is an odd function. Then by property that we have already proved, that property, by the property, therefore I is equal to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2 sin raised to 7x dx is equal to what? 0. Problem is over. If it is odd, its integral value is what? 0. Problem is over. Now second problem, what is the second problem? That is I is equal to, second problem, that is I is equal to minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. If it is odd, directly you will get the what? 0, right? Direct 0. X cube plus x cos x dx. X cube plus x cos x dx. Here f of x is equal to x cube plus x cos x is an odd function. Then by the property is an odd function, is an odd function, then by property, then by above property ಬರೀರಿ above property, because we already prove the property, already we prove करते हैं. Yes, therefore I is equal to minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2 x cube plus x cos x dx is equal to what? 0. Yes, this is the what answer. And the third problem, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, integration of minus 1 to 1, that is I is equal to sin raised to what? 5x cos raised to 4x dx. It is only sin raised to 5x cos raised to 4x dx. Here f of x is equal to sin raised to 5x cos raised to 4x is an odd function, is an odd function, then by above property, then by above property, therefore I is equal to minus 1 to 1 sin raised to 5x cos raised to 4x dx is equal to what? 0. So these are the problems, very easy problems are there. Yes. So in this video we did the what? Two properties. So these are also these are two properties, and yesterday's properties are very important for the point of your examination. So keep on watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.